Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee for an interior detail. This car isn't too bad, but there are a few problem spots we'll encounter along the way. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So my process has changed a bit since the last video I created. I try my best to be as efficient as possible and not have to touch things more than once. And because of that, with this vehicle, I tried not having to remove the mats, but quickly realized that I'm going to have to do that no matter what. Sometimes, if the vehicle isn't too bad, I can leave the mats in and just kind of move them around, but with this one, that wasn't the case. And you'll notice now that I spray down the carpets with my all-purpose detailer and then drill brush them. This helps to reduce the static and loosens the dirt up immensely and reduces the need for me to have to sit there and scrub with the vacuum. It just lifts it right out and makes vacuuming a whole lot easier. Thankfully, there wasn't hardly any dog hair or dirt in the rear of this vehicle, and so vacuuming this rear compartment was a breeze. I find this shot coming up of the before and after hilarious because it completely captures what it's like to be a mobile detailer. Being out here in the elements, you just don't know what you're going to be exposed to, and so you can literally see the dust blowing by in the after shot. I try my best to get these things clean, but sometimes the sand and dust just blow right back in when I'm out here outdoors detailing on somebody's driveway, just the way it goes. This steamer is one of the best $40 I ever spent. It helps to just get rid of all the stickies and the grime out of the cup holders in the certain areas, especially in the center console. It's worth every bit of the $40 I spent on it. And yes, you do kind of need to be careful when using it, especially around electronics and sensitive areas. It can gouge and it can cause damage. And so I'm being extremely careful when using it around the center console and these certain areas. And I don't always use the steamer on every vehicle. Sometimes if it really needs it, I will. I just generally like to use it more than a chemical. If I can avoid having to spray things and just use a heat element like steam to clean something, then I will do that. It's just more natural. I believe it's better for the vehicle. It's better for my lungs, better for the customer's lungs. And if I don't have to use a chemical, I won't. I prefer to steam clean everything if I can help it. Once I got into the rear seats of this vehicle, it looked like chocolate had exploded everywhere. There was melted chocolate all over the seats and the carpets. Another thing I really need to be careful of when using this steamer is not to steam the leather seats too much. Just a little bit is okay, but too much will actually damage the leather because it is kind of a living, breathing thing. I need to be super careful about how I'm steaming it. And so using it just very lightly with the towel and wiping it off is okay, especially knowing that I'm going to dress it afterwards. That makes it okay. Next, I use an all-in-one multi-purpose detailer from Suds Lab. I've condensed my steps down to use this, so it cleans, dresses, and protects all in one step, so I don't have to touch things more than once. It's an excellent product, and I go through a lot of it. Next up is the leather care, and this is one of my favorite products. It's just an Armor All leather care with beeswax in it, and it smells really good, and I love it. I'll give it one last vacuum just to get rid of everything that tracked in when I was in and out of it, to make sure that the floors are clean before I put the mats in. These mats were a bit stubborn. They had actually quite a bit of chocolate staining and other kinds of food in them, but I eventually got it out with a combination of the shampooer, the steamer, and the vacuum. I actually prefer these fabric cloth mats over what you'd find with like a rubber WeatherTech mat. I find that the rubber ones actually are harder to clean. They stain more because of the dirt. At least with these carpeted mats, they can easily be shampooed and all the dirt can be extracted, versus the rubber ones tend to stain.